A mysterious UFO the size of Jupiter crashes into the Sun. These are bizarre images captured from SOHO, the Solar Observatory spacecraft. Carol O'Neill reports. Conspiracy theorists believe the images of this huge transparent group of rings could prove that a giant extraterrestrial spaceship exists in our solar system. Here it is in the upper left-hand side, just over the Sun, and you can see that it looks like a figure 8 filled with consecutive circular transparent rings. Conspiracy theorists believe a UFO the size of Jupiter has crashed into the Sun. These are the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory spacecraft images, the SOHO for short, which is jointly run by NASA and the European Space Agency, and it appears to show an object hovering close to the surface of the Sun. Russia website Pravda describes the UFO as being made of a transparent group of rings, and this is the size of it. The object is approximately the size of the biggest planet in our solar system, that is Jupiter. That's a huge size, and you can see the size of the Earth is the third planet here on the left, the third planet after the Sun's surface, just before Mars and Jupiter. So you can see how huge this thing is. While many believe the ship collided by accident, other alien hunters believe this object is actually an extraterrestrial spaceship using the Sun for refueling. We have many a time seen various such things around the Sun. In the SOHO images, some of them even crash into the Sun, and there's a sun flare coming out on the opposite side of the Sun for some odd reason. This object is said to be approximately the size of Jupiter, according to the upload by Paranormal Crucible. When the huge object crashed into the Sun, a bright flash of light was generated, although scientists have not offered any explanation for this phenomena. At the end of last year, NASA images circulated online, which conspiracy theorists believe showed alien spacecraft gathering close to the surface of our Sun, and they were sucking solar power away from it. The picture seems to show a white spot which is joined towards the Sun's surface with a connected line, and you can see the embedded video here on this link I'll leave for you from Irish Mirror. Quote, "It may have been using the Sun's energy to fuel itself or to recharge in some way, but it's leaving at high speeds," end quote. He also pointed out that the UFO is somewhat glowing white, the one that's sucking the Sun's plasma, and the Sun's plasma is yellow. And he added, "This will imply that the craft is made from a different material that is resistant from the Sun's surface." Now, Nassim Haramein, a physicist cosmologist, has fantastic videos concerning the Sun being a stargate of some kind, and that is being used by UFOs, spaceship, alien craft, as some kind of a wormhole in order to go through the Sun and use it like some kind of a time tunnel to get to another part of space much faster. I'll let you hear the audio of one of my videos. Sun is a doorway for space travel for massive UFO stargates. Is our Sun a massive UFO stargate? NASA images prove yes, that it is. And Nassim Haramein explains this to us very well. Back in 2011, Nassim Haramein unveiled an artifact discovered deep inside a Mexican Mayan pyramid. This ancient artifact depicts alien spacecraft that seems to be heading into the Sun, carved with what looks like a giant triangle. There's a giant triangle, that is, in the center of the Sun. Was this triangle perhaps a portal of some kind? Around the same time, NASA started posting images of the sun with giant black isosceles triangles on the surface, just like what was found in the ancient Mexican Mayan pyramid artifact. 1 year earlier, in 2010, NASA posted the incredible footage of massive objects approaching and leaving the sun. Soon after the images were posted, they were suddenly removed and reposted, doctored to appear as though these large moving spots were comets, according to Guardian LV. But before they were removed, Nassim Haramein showed them to us and explained that they entered and then they left another way out of the sun, that is. The images of the sun and objects moving into the sun, taken from a video, are the original NASA images of Earth-sized alien craft using our sun as their stargate, a portal to other systems. So is the sun a natural stargate, as suggested in this video? I'll leave a link below for you so that you can see it on your own, and a link to Nassim Haramein's wonderful explanation. He makes everything very easily understood. I'll leave links below for you.